In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to diagnose and fix the "this document could not be printed" error in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is a common issue that can be caused by a variety of factors, including printer or driver issues, PDF file corruption or protection restrictions, conflicts with Acrobat preferences or sandboxing, or even security software blocking print settings or the print queue. Let's dive into a practical step-by-step approach to troubleshoot and resolve this error. First, let's verify that your printer and system are functioning properly. Make sure your printer is online and connected, and check that it has enough paper and ink. A good way to confirm your printer's functionality is to attempt printing a different document from a non-Acrobat application. If you're using a shared or networked printer, it might be helpful to try connecting directly via USB or using a different printer altogether to further isolate the issue. If you're still encountering problems, printing as an image can serve as a quick workaround. Open your PDF in Acrobat and navigate to File, then Print. In the Print dialog box, click Advanced and select the option to print as image. Confirm your selection by clicking OK and proceed to print the document. If your document prints successfully, this suggests there may be rendering issues within Acrobat's normal print path, perhaps related to graphics or fonts. Another step to consider is updating or reinstalling your printer drivers. Head to the printer manufacturer's website to check for the latest driver that is compatible with your operating system. Install any available updates, and if the installation prompts you to reboot your computer, make sure to do so. Then attempt to print your PDF once again. If the issue persists, it may be time to reset or adjust Acrobat preferences. For Windows users, close Acrobat and hold down the Control and Shift keys while reopening the application to reset some preferences automatically. Alternatively, you can manually delete the preferences folder located in App Data Plus, roaming plus Adobe plus Acrobat, but be sure to back up any important settings first. On macOS, you can reset preferences by holding the Shift key while launching Acrobat or by removing the preferences from Salage library/preferences, then give printing another shot. You should also try clearing the print queue and restarting printing services. Cancel any pending documents in the printer queue and restart the print spooler service on Windows, or reset printing services on macOS if needed. Reopen Acrobat and attempt to print the document again. Finally, don't overlook the possibility of PDF-specific restrictions. Some documents are set up with printing restrictions or security settings. Open the PDF in Acrobat and check under File, then Properties, followed by Security to see if printing is permitted. If it's restricted, you may need to obtain permission from the document owner or find a non-restricted version of the document. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials.